Hey guys, I'm back. It's me, Riley. So today I'm going to be doing my voice impressions to my bird and see their reaction. So if you're wondering why just Sweet Pea is out, ZB was kind of stressed out. He was panting, which is a sign of terrified parakeets. Budgie. There are many types of parakeets, so don't confuse it with the budgie. So he's in his cage right now. He wanted to be alone, and so we just have Sweet Pea out here, and we're going to see her reaction. So, okay, so. Hello. Hello there. Hello. Hello. How are you? Hello. What's up, Sweet Pea? How do you feel? How do you feel about this? You like this voice? Haha! Oh, you're just the cutest little thing. Hello. Hello there. My name's Snow White. I love birds. Such a neat. Oh! Oh dear. Ow! She bit me. Do you like the sound of nature? I like the sound. Oh, sugar, I got you covered. You're such an adorable creature, don't you know that? Sweet Pea, you look like Princess and the Frog, don't you? You look like a frog. Hey there! Hey there! I don't know whose voice this is, but I'm doing it. Hello! You're not a voice, you're just ringing in my ear, and you're gone now. But you just fly away from me. Do I sound like Anna? I think I do, kind of. I don't know. Can y'all stop? Oh my gosh! Can y'all stop talking to each other? Ah! Hey! A yellow budgie. Blue! We're birds! I don't think I sound like a
I am Groot. I am Groot. We are Groot. We are Groot.
Don't drink fountain water. I run and I run and I run and I got nowhere. Nowhere! Hello! Hello, Sweet Pea! What is my dream? Oh, I'm Minnie Mouse. Oh, you're just the cutest little thing. Oh gosh, I sound like a tired Goofy. Exactly. That is exactly what I sound like. I don't know what I sound like now. I don't sound like anything now. Does that sound creepy? Okay guys, thank you for watching. I know it's kind of a weird video, but be proud of me, please. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And go check out my other channel, Feathered Flock, where you can learn about birds and not just see these weird videos that I'm doing with my birds, you know? So, yeah. So anyway, I can't wait to see you there, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.